Hi guys, today you are going to see this router UPS unboxing. So many of them have during their important meetings or important classes, during that time if power goes and if your Wi-Fi broadband is lost its power, if you have even an UPS, it'll take some time to kickstart in. So you lose some time, and that also in the middle of an important part, it will be a big difficulty. So this Resonet company has bought this router UPS. It gives up to 4 hours backup, lightweight and intelligent charging. So nowadays, due to lockdown, many of them started to use a lot of data. In it, mobile data, many of them have. So it has a lot of traffic. Because of it, many of them are changing now to broadband. But now one problem for broadband is that we lose power if we lose even internet when the power goes. But it's not for mobile data. But mobile data is slow. So for that, the solution is just cost 2,911, and you'll be shocked by its size. It's just this much small. Wait, I'll just measure its length. It's just about 10.5 centimeters in length, and let's see about its breadth. It is about just nearly 5.5. It's so small, right? It takes an area about 50 centimeters square. So it's so small, but it can give a power backup of 4 hours. It has two holes. One is in, one is out. It has even a switch. Okay. So we'll just try this on thing. Good. Okay. It is working. Let's see, it's some quick 30 seconds installation guide. So contents, these are the contents and ratings and setup instructions. Okay, green is fully charged, red is charging itself. Oh, that means they gave even fully charged one. It's so good of them. And it is a 1 year user product limited warranty, India only. Good. It's not like a warranty card, although it's like a warranty paper. Yeah. But some good initiative only in India. And here it is the 4 pins. With 4 different pin wires. Okay, we should find a suitable area to keep the things. These pins have mainly 2 colors, yellow and black. This one is one black, one yellow, but the black one is smaller. This is one black, one yellow. This is one black, but this one is so different. I don't know what. And this is yellow. So we can see whatever we can use. So we can use any of these, and it is for UPS. It's a UPS for Wi-Fi router with uninterrupted Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. In next video, I'll show you how to install this router UPS in your for your Wi-Fi router. Thank you.